Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Grant and I live in Iowa. I currently work as a certified and alcohol drug counselor in a facility in my hometown. I primarily work with women who struggle with substance abuse. However, our facility also treats mental health and psychiatry as well. I work with women on 4 days a week in a group setting, and then individually I work with them 1 day a week. I do also have men on my caseload, but the majority of my caseload is women. Assets that I bring to this course, the first one is the work that I've done in my current occupation. Secondly, my organization really works from that strengths perspective, utilizing the patient's strengths and identifying them in their treatment plans. Thirdly, we also use a pretty detailed outcomes rating scale as evidence of whether or not the treatment that our patients are receiving is beneficial to them and if they actually are improving their quality of life through the services that we offer. So those three perspectives, just working in the field, coming from that strengths perspective, and then also utilizing outcome rating scales. I really look forward to getting to know everybody and am really looking forward to this course as the information is more practical and things that I can use in my career moving forward. Thank you, everyone.